Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the types of thunderstorms. Not just here, everywhere. So there are 4 types of thunderstorms. There are many types of thunderstorms on Earth, and many more in the universe. There are 4 types on Earth that I know so far. So, a pulse storm, multi-cell cluster, squall line, and a supercell. So now we're going to straight in it. This is a pulse storm. This is pretty much the weakest storm of all. It's like wimpy, but it can have small hail and high winds. So they're backwards. And this storm tends to last like 30 minutes and tends to be in the summertime. So it can pretty much be everywhere where it wants to be. And yeah. Oh, this is just driven by heat. That's all it gets driven by. What's next? The next one is the multi-cell cluster. I can see this is a thunderstorm too. There are like this storm has like 5 cells in it. You can see. Look closely. Yeah. This storm can produce the high winds, medium-sized hail, and possibly a tornado. And these storms tend to form around mountains, so here in the plains, I don't need to worry about it that much. But I do get these once in a while too, so. And these storms tend to last for 1 or 2 hours. It's occasionally severe. It tends to be severe once in a while. So if you say this storm's weak, right, it is weak. But it's stronger than a pulse storm though. Music. And yeah, this storm has 3 or more cells at least. So say the left side of the storm is okay. Let's say this. The left side of the storm is gaining power. The middle is dominant storm, which means it's the storm that drives the whole storm. And then this storm that is dissipating, which means it's weakening. And they're all moving as one. So pretty much that's much it. They're also feeding each other too. Next storm is a squall line. Now this I get mainly in the plains. Living here a lot. I'm quite used to this type of storm. So it's not really a big deal once I get these. Because I get these all the time. Except in the winter time. This storm is mainly driven by a cold front. So let's say a cold front decided to drop from the mountains and it forms this storm. This storm's kind of like a multi-cell cluster, except this one's stronger, and it can reach like miles. This is the biggest storm you ever see. So this storm has high winds and large hail. And I can have a small to medium tornado, or moderate strength tornado. And yes, it can have like high winds. This storm has rain in the front of the storm and rain in the back of the storm. This storm is tends to be severe too. Yes, so this storm is pretty strong. So if you're in the plains and you get these all the time, well, welcome to Tornado Alley. There's storms all the time. Now Florida gets something too. Next storm is the most storm of all. This is called a supercell. This storm, yes, you want to read it. I bet you. This storm is a supercell. And yes, it's almost always severe. Like, almost every time you get this storm, severe. Like, it's like the 10% chance it will not be as severe when it hits the area. But still be pretty strong though. This storm can produce really a large hail, which happened in Texas not too long ago. I can produce high winds, and it can even produce a huge tornado. There are multiple types of supercells: low precipitation, low rain, means little rain; classic and high precipitation, which means lots of rain. This storm, yes, it's storm. It's pretty much a circular storm. Warmer going up and colder going down, and they are spinning together. And yeah, that's what I think what's formed by a tornado there. So, if you ever want to experience the storm, ask me, because I've experienced it this summer. I'll give you a link in the description of the storm I've experienced. Uh-oh. And yes, I've experienced a lot. Well, and maybe next video I'll talk about the types of supercells.